Here's a quick one for all the Guardians looking to get a little bit of extra loot in their Ghosts of the Deep run by finding the 2 secret chests. Check it out. The first one is located about halfway through the water walking section, right before you approach the crash site. You'll come to this cliff and you'll take a sharp jump off the left side and reach a lip that'll give you a water wall where you can breathe again. Right on the outside of it, there will be a secret chest. The second chest is located right after you beat the ogre in the final walk before the boss. You'll climb on top of this gazebo, and the chest will be waiting for you at the top. Good luck with your rolls and have fun out there, Guardian.